In this video, we'll have a look at the sample project that we've prepared for you folks. The sample project can be downloaded using a link in the marketplace here, example project, or in our GitHub repo. If you click here, should lead you to the wiki, and the sample project can be downloaded from here. So once you click that, download it onto your drive, and which I've done here, and then we'll just extract that in the same place. I just move that in there, extract. All right, so once that's unzipped, simply double click that, and it'll ask you for the Unreal Engine version that you want to use this on. I'm going to be using, what are we going to be using? 4.22, which is the latest stable release of Unreal as of this recording. I'm just going to click OK. And if you haven't installed the SteamVR input plugin yet, which I haven't for this demo, I will click, just say yes to this, and it'll open up the launcher for you to the marketplace. And the way to search that quite quickly is just type in OpenXR, and that should be the first one. Okay, OpenXR, OpenX. Click that, and if you haven't purchased it yet, it's free, by the way, so just purchase it, and you shouldn't have to pay for it. And then once you've purchased it, just click install to engine, and it'll ask you which one. I'm going to install it to 4.22. Click install. It'll download it. So it's around 200 MB. Once that's fully installed, you can double click again the U project here. Sorry that got cut off in there. Can't move this one. And let's just open the project. So I'm using an extra wide screen, which is why it's doing that. But once you have that all set up, just open up the project again, and you'll know that the plugin is installed by having an icon called SteamVR input here in the toolbar. And let's just give this thing a whirl. So just click on play, VR preview. For this demo, let me just open up my SteamVR here. I'm going to be using the index HMD and the index controllers. I just hit VR preview, just gonna do a shift F1, move this so that I can maximize the window for you. Click inside so we get input. Alrighty, so you can see here that I've got full figure animation there, skeletal animation. We can also do gesture recognition, if I can do a peace sign properly. See? You should be able to make Jeff jump up and down. So it's pretty fun once you get the hang of it. Alright, so pressing the thumb pad should be able to teleport. Just gonna grab this one by pressing the grip buttons in index controllers. What we're demoing here is the axis inputs as well as a grip, there, or the force grip, which is available with the index controllers. So with this controller, you can control the Jeff character, if I could just position him properly. So I'm trying not to move my head too much, not give you a headache while watching this video. So I'm using the thumbsticks for the index controller and just moving Jeff around. Alrighty, so just gonna let that go and slowly tilt my head here. Teleport and the cubes here. So this should be very familiar. It comes from the standard UE template. We're demoing a little bit of the haptics here. So if you put your hands inside, you should feel some slight haptics. You could grab stuff, you could throw things around and play around with it a little bit, all right? And slowly my head there. Okay, so I'm gonna grab, this is my favorite part of this demo. which is the bow and arrow. So it's pretty sturdy. It's Joe Jeff character. Let's try it on the cubes. And this is pretty much fun. Spent a lot of time actually just doing this. Wish we could put some more content into the demo project, hopefully in the future. And yeah, and that's pretty much it for this video. In the next one, we'll recreate this demo, okay, from scratch, so you can see how we actually set up the plugin properly. All right, thanks folks.